Aquaponic gardening is a step-by-step guide to growing fish and vegetables together. Aquaponic gardening is really a very simple way to garden once you get set up and started. The problem is actually getting the setup right in the first place and getting your system started in a way that's going to make it robust. This book will give you what you need to know to get started and to get to the point that all you're really doing is throwing a handful of fish food into that tank every day. The book really starts with an introduction to aquaponics and why you might want to get involved in aquaponic gardening. It also goes into a bit of a worldview, some of the problems that are out there in the world with food production and how aquaponics addresses those. Then it gets to how to build your own system, starting with where to put it, what considerations there are, and then how to assemble the hardware for your system, your pumps, your fish tank, your grow beds, how to assemble the software for your system, the fish, the plants, the bacteria, how to integrate it all together and start your system successfully, and then how to maintain it. If you follow the guidelines in this book and the ratios and the advice, then you will have a successful aquaponic garden.